How to turn on hotspot on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to turn on the hotspot on Android, what you can simply do is just tap on the settings of your device. As you do that, scroll down and then tap on portable hotspot available over here. So tap on it and then here you can see the option of portable hotspot. So just toggle on this option and you'll be able to see you can set up a portable hotspot. You can share your QR code or you can share one-time data limit. After that, you can just connect the hotspot with other devices. If not possible, then you can just directly go and drag down the menu or notification center and then just swipe and drag your notifications option. Then here you can see the option of hotspot. So just tap on hotspot and you'll be able to toggle on and turn on the hotspot on your device, and you just have to connect devices over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.